Today I am going to demonstrate how to check the chill water flow rate in the RHU unit. Throughout this exercise we will understand the performance of the RHU as well as the chill water secondary pump. For this we need to open the DRV test point and use digital chill water flow meter. First we have to connect the positive and negative point of the DRV and flush out some water after connecting the valve. And after connecting the valve, we need to set up the digital meter. First, we have to change the valve setting. First is the brand, we have a watts, and second is of course variable or fixed. Second is the model number of the DRV valve, and the third one is pipe size. So our pipe size is 65. After that we have to make it the meter 0 and open the valve and slowly close the bypass. The design flow rate is this unit 1.3 liter per second. As you can see, actually it's 1.5 liter per second. So this unit is performance well.